Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use ManyCam on Omegle. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and search for ManyCam on Google. Go to the first website and download it. I have already downloaded and installed it. So let's open it. Now, open your browser again and go to the Omegle. You will see the ManyCam virtual camera in there. The free version of ManyCam works fine, and Omegle will detect it as a virtual camera. But if you are a ManyCam Pro user, you can rename your virtual camera to make it real. To do that, close your browser and go back to ManyCam settings and then select General. Now, change the name of your virtual camera. Just type this and click Edit. Now open your browser again and go back to Omegle. You will see the camera name has changed. I have two Logitech webcams now, my OBS camera and the ManyCam virtual camera. If the name doesn't update, try restarting your PC or laptop. You might also notice that the camera isn't fitting properly on Omegle. To fix this, go to the video settings in ManyCam and enable 120 resolution. After that, select it. That will fix the issue. I hope this video helps you out. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.